Hi everyone, my name is Raymond. I hope you are doing well. In this video, let's talk about a frequently asked question regarding Spreadshirt, which is the difference between Spreadshop and the showroom. Simply, Spreadshop is an individual shop you can create on your Spreadshirt account, where you can sell your designs and your products with your own prices, with your own royalties. And in the Spreadshop, you have to promote your designs and your products on social media to get traffic, thus get sales. However, on the other hand, the showroom is a place where you can find your designs that are already on search results on Spreadshirt marketplace. So if anyone searches for something on search results or on Spreadshirt marketplace, he can find your design. And if this customer wants to see more of your beautiful designs and your niches, he will visit your account on Spreadshirt, or in other words, your showroom. So you have got to edit its appearance to be a featured artist on Spreadshirt for customers and for Spreadshirt reviewers. And now how to edit this showroom in your account on Spreadshirt. Let's go. And here on the homepage of your account on Spreadshirt, you can find the showroom of your designs by two methods. The first method, here, your profile name. You can click over this drop down menu and you can find showroom. Okay. And the second method is going to this partner.spreadshirt.com, and here you will find in the left panel the dashboard of your account, your designs and your statistics, your tips that I am in now, and you'll find this icon that stands for showroom. And as its name, showroom, you show your approved and your published designs on the marketplace on the search results. Okay, so click over that and you will be directed to your showroom. Okay, as you see here, it's like your Spreadshop or a shop of your designs. So you can edit and you can customize your showroom account to be a featured artist for customers and for Spreadshirt reviewers. Okay, so first of all, you can upload here a banner image or a header of your showroom. Okay, you can make this banner image on websites like Canva, Vista Create, or in other websites. Okay, and if we want to customize your showroom from the first method, okay, so come back to this one and select this showroom. Okay, it's the same, and you can edit your showroom, okay, as you see here, and upload your header of your showroom or your banner image. And here you can add some social icons like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, YouTube, Tumblr, and so on and so forth. Or you can add your own website and URL of this website. Okay. And here you can add a short description like welcome sentences like hi guys, here you will find some designs that deserve your taste, and so on and so forth. Okay. And here you will find this option of share your showroom on social media, okay, like a store or your entire collection. Perfect. And here the customer can filter your designs here according to categories like men, women, kids, babies, accessories, phone cases, and so on, or according to products like t-shirts, tank tops, polo shirts, jackets, PB t-shirts. Okay, or you can filter your products according to special features like colors, price range, neckline, sleeve, fit, materials, style. Okay, and here you will find this section of topics. Here you can divide your products, your designs into some groups or some collections, and these collections are called topics according their niches or their fields. So you can make a topic that's specific for cat lover designs, and another topic that's specific for yoga lovers, and so on and so forth. For example, if we can share this showroom, just click over that, copy. Let's open a new browser. Perfect, paste. To have a look at this topic, you will find, of course, this offers a discount 20% off, okay, from Spreadshirt itself to help you more to get sales. Perfect. And here, if a customer clicks over this topics, he will find this topic, coffee lover. And this topic is specific for coffee lovers, okay? Designs about coffee, like this one, this one, this one, and this one, okay? Okay, so how to create these topics and edit them? Simply put our Spreadshirt, okay? And click over this button, edit topics, your collections, okay? Your groups, perfect. And here you have one topic, one collection, coffee lover, that has 7 designs. So you can create a new topic from here, okay? And there you can add a name of your topic, okay, according to your niche, like yoga lover, bulldog, okay, motivational quotes, and description, okay, of this topic. Perfect. And there you will find your designs, so you can select your designs that are related to that niche, to that topic, okay? Okay, and when you are done, just click over this apply changes. Well, another thing you have to know regarding showroom on Spreadshirt, that you can promote your products from showroom directly to social media. How to do that? Simply, you can select any of these beautiful products, okay? Like this one, this tank top, click over that. Okay, and you will find down below this option of sharing this product directly to social media. So click over that, and there you will find you can share your product to Facebook, Pinterest, and Twitter, or you can copy this link and you can share it everywhere as you want. So go back. And to your knowledge, your designs that are on the search results and the marketplace will be shown on other marketplaces on Canada, UK, and United States, okay? So the same showroom will be found on these marketplaces. So you have to customize your showroom to look like as a professional designer and a professional seller. And now we reach the end of the video. Thank you for watching, and if you have any question, you can leave in the comment section. See you in the next video.